Hi everyone, welcome to STEM class. In the last lesson, we used a 3D printed arch bridge to complete a bridge challenge. In this lesson, we are going to explore a new secret about structures. Have you noticed that many strong structures around us have triangles hidden inside? You can find them in tall roofs, sturdy bicycle frames, and even cardboard boxes. Why do engineers like triangles so much? What makes triangles special? In this lesson, we will use 3D printing to make a set of building pieces and build a mini truss bridge. Are you ready? Let's become structure magicians and find out what triangles can do. First, find the models for this lesson and print them in order. For this lesson, we need to print 20 for building strips, 14 short pegs, 6 long pegs, 26 triangle caps, 2 bridge decks, and the 2 bridge frames we used last time. If you did not watch the last lesson, don't worry, the bridge frame models are included in this lesson too. Look, the 3D printer is working. Printing takes time, so please be patient. We can take a short break. Great, the parts are ready. Let's test them. Take a few building strips and use the short pegs to build a square frame. Give one corner of the square frame a light push. It looks like the square can bend out of shape easily, so it is not very strong by itself. Next, use 3 building strips to build a triangle frame. Give it the same light push. The triangle does not change shape so easily, it stays firm. We can see that triangles are very stable. Engineers use this idea too, so they often connect many triangles together. A structure made from many connected triangles is called a truss structure. A bridge built with a truss structure is called a truss bridge. It looks like it is made from many bars joined together, and you can see triangle-shaped spaces inside the bridge. When many triangles work together, they help the bridge hold weight and reduce bending. With this structure, the bridge does not need to be made from one thick, solid piece of material to stay stable. Next, let's turn one triangle into a truss structure and build a mini truss bridge. First, use the building strips and short pegs to build one side of the truss with several triangles. Then build another truss side in the same way. Use the long pegs to connect the left and right truss sides. Now the two flat truss panels form a three-dimensional structure. Place the bridge carefully on the to-bridge frames, and then put the bridge decks on top. Our mini truss bridge is complete. Why is a triangle more stable? Because the three sides of a triangle support each other, its shape is not easy to push out of place. A square without a diagonal brace can easily become a slanted shape. When we add a diagonal brace to a square, the square is divided into two triangles, and the structure becomes more stable. When many triangles are connected in a row, they form a truss structure. Truss structures are not only used in bridges, we can also see them in many buildings and machines. The Eiffel Tower has many crisscrossing supports, and the tall frame of a tower crane also has many triangles. These shapes are not just for looks, they help make the structure steadier and more reliable. In today's lesson, we learned about triangle stability and used 3D printed parts to build a mini truss bridge. 3D printing, your great learning partner. Keep exploring, and see you next class.